Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see what is calculated column and how we can create a calculated column in Power BI and how we can use it. So calculated column allows the execution of advanced calculation, providing your data model with new insights. Also using the data analysis or DAX language, we can create many calculated columns as we need for our analysis. So when to use the calculated column and when not to use the calculated column. Calculated columns are utilized when there is a necessity to introduce new attributes or categories into the data model, independent of user selection or filters. To avoid utilizing calculated column for complex calculation that may be accomplished using measure instead, calculated columns require more memory and processing time than measure because they are saved for each row in your table. So now let's see how we can create calculated column and use calculated column in our visualization. So for this, we will navigate to the Power BI desktop. So this is the table. So from here, we will calculate the gross margin using calculated column. Okay. To calculate the gross margin, we need to subtract the total sales for each product minus cost of goods sold. So we can get the gross margin. So for this, you can click on the new column option in the table tools, and here we will provide the column name as gross margin equal to, we will subtract the total sales. So table 1, select the sales column and then provide minus symbol, and we will provide table of COGS. Now we will commit this one, and you can see here we have calculated the gross margin. Similarly, you can create calculated column based on your business requirement, and once you have created the calculated column, for this you can set your data from here, that is data type. So it is decimal number. If you want to select whole number, then you can select the whole number, then data type change yes. Okay, and from here you can select the summarization. So sum, average, minimum, maximum, count or count distinct. Now let's see how we can use this calculated column in our visual. So for this I will create simple table visual, and then I will add some column to it. So for example, I will add product name and then profit and then sales. Then I will add COGS. Then I will add the gross margin calculated column, and you can see the symbol of the calculated column. So this is how we can use the calculated column in our visuals. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. Thank you so much.